Hey, if you want to turn next or previous song with the Redmi Buds 5, for sure you can do this. So first of all, you will have to actually go into the Xiaomi earbuds application, open the gestures, and as you can see, as default on the triple tap on the left and the right one, there's like next song. So we have to switch for the left or the right one to get also the previous song. So simply choose one of the following option for any earbud, and then when you simply click on the play and then triple tap, let's do this one more time. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work, but definitely we'll have to try one more time. Okay, that's strange. As you can see, this function is actually turned on in the application, triple tap left or the right earphone, but it doesn't work right here. So you can tell me actually in the comments if this function also doesn't work in your case. Let me just try to manually turn the next song and let's see if we can actually switch right now. There we go. Okay, right now it actually works. One more time, 1, 2, 3, and it works another time. So I don't know what is going on, because the other functions like the volume up, volume down, play and the pause on, for example, noise cancellation works really good, but there's something wrong with the turning songs. So please tell me if you have the same issue with your earbuds. So yeah, that's all. If you find it somehow helpful, just click on the description of this video and like it. See ya.